iKnock Smart is excited to introduce our access control in a box. Access control in a box provides everything you need to convert a traditional mechanical opening into a smart access control opening. Today, I'm going to be going over each of the components that you'll find inside the box.
First, we have the plug-in power supply, which is a game changer for access control projects. It plugs into a 110 volt outlet, and there's a 6-foot power cord with 1 amp max power draw. That helps you reach the electric strike and the reader controller if you plug in above the ceiling at the opening. Everything in the box uses Molex connectors, so we've completely eliminated the need for a low voltage wiring, so you don't need to hire an electrician to install access control. Next is the electric strike. We have 3 configurations for access control in a box, with your choice of a cylindrical, mortise, or rim exit device electric strike. These electric strikes all come with deadbolt or latch bolt monitoring, so you'll know if your opening is secure even if your access control app tells you that the door is locked. Of course, the DBM and power are both Molex connectors. The strike will integrate seamlessly with the ACBX reader controller, so let's talk about that next. Here's the star of the show, the ACBX. This is an all-in-one reader controller that supports credentials including RFID devices, 3 types of passcodes, and smartphones. It comes in black or painted aluminum and has Molex connectors for easier installation. It has a power pigtail that supports different functions like DPS, deadbolt monitoring, and normally open or normally closed circuit types. There are 2 RFID fobs and 2 stickers so that you'll have access control right out of the box. This unit integrates seamlessly with iKnock Smart app, and there's a robust installation and quick user guide, so you'll be up and running in no time at all. Now, we've done our best to think of everything you'll need to install access control so that you don't need to keep running to Home Depot for parts. To that end, we've included door positioning sensors that work for both wood or metal door frames, so no matter what type of project you're on, we've got you covered. This is another seamless integration with the iKnock Smart app, so users will know when the door is actually closed when the system is reporting the strike is locked. This is a must for commercial access control. To top it all off, we've included a Bluetooth Wi-Fi gateway so that users can lock and unlock the opening using the iKnock Smart app from anywhere in the world with Wi-Fi signal. This is a plug-in gateway, so you don't have to run power to it. In fact, you can plug it in next to the power supply if the other outlet is still free. The gateway communicates with the ISK through Bluetooth, so the installation range will need to be within 30 feet of the opening. There are also a few odds and ends in the box to make installation easier. We've got a couple of wires you'll need for different functions. The first one will connect the plug-in power to the electric strike. The second one is a plug-in connector that allows you to monitor the latch bolt. If you're installing the mortise electric strike, you can decide if you want to monitor the latch bolt or the deadbolt. Then we have some useful documentation. There's a components list with a wiring diagram, an information sheet on the plug-in power supply, and templates for the door position sensors. So that's everything you get with access control in a box. It's a one-stop shop for access control. Access control in a box is now available from the distributors you see on the screen. For more information, visit online at iKnockSmart.com.